Hello everyone and welcome back. This time I want to make one more attachment for the lathe. It will be the lathe spider. So when I'm working with some small but long pieces of any material, they go through the spindle and like wobbling at the end, and these are not really cool situations. So lathe spider could be used to attach to the spindle and hold the piece of material at the end, and much less of material, and there will be less vibration and less wobbling of any of the stock. Here I have 1mm thread, so I could use a piece of steel that will be threading over here, and then 4 screws from each of the side that will hold the piece of material that I'm working with. Let's go. I'm starting with outer diameter, so with cleaning all the piece. I will cut exactly the size of material I will need for this piece, so I will be not able to clean it in one operation, everything outside, but it's not the critical dimension over here, so I could do that. So I will clean this side, clean part here, then rotate it, clean up another side and over here, and then drill the hole, cut the thread. Then I'm moving to the milling machine with dividing head and cutting 4 holes for the screws. Okay, I will need this one cutter, and we are ready to go. Now I need to drill 22mm hole inside, 21 actually, not 22, 21mm hole inside, and then cut the thread also over here. So not to hit the chuck, because there is a hole near 20mm inside, I need to move my part a little bit out. For that I'm using the parallels that I made quite a lot of time ago. They are still working, it's quite nice small parallels, but very likely I will do the new one soon. Okay, that should be good. Now drilling. I measured everything one more time, and inner diameter I need 21.2 millimeters. So from this point I'm working only with the inner cutter, and yeah, that's it. I need to move it a little bit, because I was working last time with something small, and it makes sense when your cutter is not too far. Okay, now I have 20, so I need to cut 1.2 more. So here it is, 21.2 millimeters, and but I don't want to make a thread on all of the part, so half or more than half of the part is near 30 millimeters all, so to the 20 millimeters deep I will do the oversizing, so like to 23 or 24 millimeters, and then at the end only will be the thread from the inside. Okay. I'm gonna configure the lathe for the thread cutting, and now I will replace the cutter to this one to actually cut the thread. For 1 millimeter thread I need to go nearly 0.8 millimeter deep, so hopefully I will do that from the first try. Now I'm going 0.25 and let's go. Now is the biggest question, how accurate my measurements was. I'll remove the part from the lathe and we'll try it out. So the threading looks quite nice. And let me try. Looks like it was always here, isn't it? So, that's the part. Now I will need to drill 4 holes, and then at the end very likely that I will face all this side because there is a little bit of scratches, also this visual connection of cuttings, so I didn't like it. I want to have it more nice look and feel. Next I need to drill the holes. I was thinking about go with 4 screws over here from the 4 sides, but to be honest there should be 3 screws enough, and in this case very likely that I will have a smaller possibility to catch smaller stock, so it will be already with 3 screws, like just several millimeters. That should be more than enough. So let's go. Now tapping of the holes. I will use my favorite set of tabs from Bayer brand. It's very easy to use them, and I really like them. Maybe it's not 100% correct, and I need to align tabs a little bit better using my machine, but I didn't have possibility to use any kind of tab follower. Over here I am just have a lack of space for that, so at the moment only one thing I could do is just a manual tapping. But with these tabs, anyway, that's super accurate, always, and very fast. Now the tool almost done. The only one thing I will do, it's clean up over here and from the outside, and that will be it. So I'm moving to the lathe. Now inside I have nice and clean surface, and I want to clean outside. For the outside cleaning, I need to find out how to catch this part with a little bit different way. But I have the access with the cutter to entire part, not only to some half of the part or something like that. I have one idea that I was already used, but I will try. Could I catch it with this chuck? No, it's not gonna fit. Just a little bit, not enough. Okay. Let's check how this configuration of two chucks will work. Now it's time to check how it's gonna work. And will it be at least a little bit helpful for me, or it's just another one tool that no one needs. Here's the part I got. Looks very nice. The 3 screws, each from one side. How it's gonna work? There is the piece of 6mm brass, and let's give it a try. It's quite a long piece. I could easily put it into the lathe. But now if I will switch on, you will see what happens. I'll start it on very slow speed. The piece is wobbling at the end. And let's give it a try with this one. And now with the tool installed, I have almost no wobbling on this long piece of material. So that's exactly the purpose of using such tools. This will be just one more helpful tool for my lathe. See you next time, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to see my new videos.